I hope everybody is keeping fine. Today beta we are going to study about the fuse. What is a fuse? And beta, what is a fuse? It is a safety device which protect the circuit as well as our appliances from being damaged. Then beta, that fuse wire should be having the two characteristics. First one is a fuse wire should have, first is low melting point, and second one is high specific resistance. These both the characteristics should be having a fuse wire, and beta both these characteristics we are getting in an alloy of lead and tin. Lead and tin, that alloy is having very low melting point, so when the excessive current will flow in the circuit, means when the circuit will be overloaded or short circuiting will be there, then what will happen, the fuse wire because of its low melting point, because इसमें से करंट बेटा ज़्यादा फ्लो होएगा तो melting point इसका कम है, so it will get blows off. Then next one is beta, next point is rise in temperature of a fuse wire beta, it depends upon first is amount of current or current rating, amount of current, or you can say current rating, and the second one is upon the thickness of the wire. बेटा राइज इन टेम्परेचर ऑफ ए फ्यूज वायर मीन्स फ्यूज वायर का जो टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होएगा वो इन दो फैक्टर्स पे डिपेंड करता है. फर्स्ट वन इज इफ मोर अमाउंट ऑफ करंट विल फ्लो तो वायर ने जल्दी हीट होना है, सो इट्स टेम्परेचर विल बिकम मोर, सो इट हैज टू मेल्ट. सेकेंड वन इज अपॉन द थिकनेस ऑफ वायर, जितनी ज़्यादा वायर थिकर होएगी उसकी रेजिस्टेंस उतनी कम होएगी, सो करंट विल फ्लो मोर, and if current will flow more then rise in temperature will also be more. So beta, rise in temperature is directly proportional to the current rating and it is inversely proportional to the thickness of wire. These points you have to remember, you have to keep in your mind. Then you can ask like that, can we use an ordinary wire as a fuse wire? No बच्चे, we can't use the ordinary wire as fuse wire like we are using copper or aluminium wires, but we can't use them as a fuse wire. What is the reason for that? First reason is that their melting point is very high. So if melting point will be very high, it means excessive current will flow, they will not melt easily. And second one बच्चे, they are very thicker one, so they will permit the heavy flow of current through them, so your circuit as well as your appliances, they will get damaged, they will not be safe. Then I think you have seen in your homes beta, that I will show you. Beta, this is a socket, porcelain socket is there, this is porcelain, it is an insulator of electricity. Why that porcelain material is taken? Because we have to physically handle, this is the fuse, we have to physically handle it, हमने इसको हाथ में पकड़ के इसको grip करना है बीच में, so we have to insert it, So that is why we have to take that material which is an insulator. So you see beta, here two metallic terminals are there, and they are connected with the live wire. They are connected with the live wire. These T1 and T2 terminals, they have shown very clearly in your book. These two terminals are connected with the live wire. Now beta, this is the socket and this is the fuse. Again here beta, you are seeing at the top and bottom two metallic terminals are there, and in these two terminals we have to insert the fuse wire. So when the excessive current will flow in the circuit, what will happen बेटा, जब आप इसमें फ्यूज वायर को इंसर्ट करोगे तो जब एक्सेसिव करंट फ्लो होएगा तो क्या होएगा, जितनी इसकी करंट कैरिंग कैपेसिटी है जी उससे ज़्यादा करंट फ्लो होएगा, तो बेटा उस फ्यूज वायर में क्या होना है, इट विल गेट मेल्ट फ्रॉम द मिडल. जब बीच में से मेल्ट हो जाएगी बेटा तो सम गैप विल प्रोड्यूस, सो करंट विल नॉट फ्लो. So after that what we are doing, we have to insert the new fuse wire of proper current carrying capacity. जितनी फ्यूज की, जितना हमारे सर्किट का बेटा करंट कैपेसिटी है, that fuse must be having the capacity little bit more than that. Little bit more than that. If it will be less than that current carrying capacity, तो फिर डेली दिन में हमें पता नहीं कितनी बार फ्यूज वायर चेंज करनी पड़ेगी. So fuse wire must be having current carrying capacity more than that we have taken from the company. We are taking the beta, that power rating is there ना, we are taking load from the company कि हमें इतना load चाहिए, फिर उसके according we are using the proper current carrying capacity fuse. So we have to insert the new fuse wire of proper current carrying capacity, and then we will insert that fuse in that socket like that. Then beta, some costly appliances are there, like refrigerator is there, ACs are there, TVs are there. Then beta, they are having their own fuse beta. They are available with specific type of fuse, and that is called as beta, that you are seeing in my hand, it is called cartridge type fuse. It is having two metallic terminals at the ends beta, और ये जो ग्लास केस है इसके अंदर बेटा वायर है. So when the current, excessive current will flow in the circuit, or any short circuiting is there, means any fault is there, that fuse wire will melt. But one difference is there in this cartridge type and in that fuse beta. There we can insert the new fuse wire, but here we can't insert the fuse wire. We have to throw it when the fuse wire will melt. Means we can't reuse it. Thank you.